It is the evening of October 15th, and as you can tell, I'm in one of our hunting shanties. It's super windy and really rainy out. I'm overlooking the Nebraska food plot down here below me, and I got standing corn right here next to me. There's been quite a few deer coming to this standing corn each night, and I'm looking to shoot a doe, hopefully in front of a GoPro tonight. I have my Mathews with us. It's gonna kind of close quarters in here for drawing that bow, but if I get the arrow outside the window, I can draw it back and be okay. But hopefully this rain dies down. It looks like it's gonna quit later this evening, so if I do shoot a doe, the track job won't be too bad, and I plan on 10 ringing her if I do shoot one. So we'll see what happens this evening. Maybe we'll see a nice buck. The bucks that I could possibly shoot up here is Skinny and Nomad. So those are the two hit listers up here, and of course there's always been a bunch of bears around this woods, and if any of them come around, I'll gladly send an arrow. But got Kaylee right here videotaping me. Well, folks, that's was a wrap on our evening hunt. Kaylee and I only ended up seeing like 7 deer. It was kind of a crappy, windy, rainy night, and I didn't know if it would have the deer on their feet or not. It did not. That was one of the worst hunts I've had over that food plot all year. So nothing ended up happening other than some little fawns chasing each other around. But I'll be back after them in the morning. We'll see what we can get after. Thanks for watching, everybody.